China Solution YouTube channel. I remain Mr. Joshua Ija. Today we'll continue from where we stopped on mathematics. Last time we talked about the trigonometric ratios. Then we'll look at SOHCAHTOA. That S here stands for sine, which is, let's take for instance an angle theta, which is equals to what? Opposite all over hypotenuse. And then we say the C here is for cos. That's cos theta equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse. And then the T here stands for tan theta, which is equals to opposite all over adjacent. Now let's move further. Now consider this angle, right angle triangle. If I have 3, I have 4. Let me say I have A, I have B, I have C. And I am to find, let's take this to be 30 degrees. Angle 30 degrees. And then we are asked to find this x. First of all, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of x. For us to find x, we can have here that what x equals to root of 3 square plus 4 square, and that gives us 9 plus 16, giving us root 25. Therefore, x equals to 5. So we now have here that x is equals to 5. If further we are asked to find this, let's take this example. From where we stop, we are here 3, 4, and then our x here equals to 5. If we are asked to find sec square theta plus sine plus cosec square theta. Let's take this as our theta. And don't forget that last time we said that sec is inverse of cos. That means 1 all over cos theta, and then you square it, plus 1 all over sine theta, and then we square it. So what's our cos? 1 all over cos is what? Car adjacent all over hypotenuse. That's 4 over 3. 4 over 3, you square it, plus, and then sine is opposite all over hypotenuse. That's 3 over 5. 3 over 5. So we have cos here, car adjacent all over hypotenuse. That's 4 over 5. Yes, we correct this. 4 all over 5. Is that okay? I hope you have corrected that. Good. So let's move on. So 1 all over 4 over 5, that gives us what? 5 over 4 square plus 5 over 3 square. What do you have? That's 25 over 16 plus 25 over 9. That means 5 by 5, 25, 4 by 4, 16, 5 by 5, 25, 3 by 3, 9. And then LCM of 16 and 9. You can multiply out. So what? 16 by 9. What do you have? 9 by 6. That gives us 54. And then we have here 5. 9 by 1. 9 plus 5. That's 144. And let's just go straight. 144 divided by this will give us 25 by 9. Because 16 goes into 144, 9. And then plus 9 goes into 144, 16. So you have 16 times 25. 16 times 25. Alright. I hope you have gotten that. So 25 by 9. What do we have? Let's take this 25 by 9. This gives us 45. 4. And then 9 by 2. 18. 18 plus 4. That gives us 122. So here we have 225 plus 16 by 25. 16 by 25. 5 by 6, 33. 5 by 1, 5 plus this 80, and then we have 32. 0, 0, 400. So we have 400 all over 144. I hope we are okay with that. All right, that's log multiplication. Log multiplication. So what do you have? 225 plus 400. That gives us 625 all over 144. At the end, you arrive at a particular answer. That's wonderful. So don't forget to subscribe, to like our page, and then recommend your friend to watch our YouTube channel. Let's continue. Today we want to focus mainly on special angles. We have special angles. What are the special angles? We are going to consider angle 30, angle 45, and angle 60. But we'll focus on 30 first. 30 degrees. We'll focus on 30 degrees. So what does that give us? I can have this. Okay? I can have this. I can divide this into 2. I have here as my 30 degrees. I have here as my 60 degrees. If sine, what is sine? Sine is opposite all over hypotenuse. This is, and sine 30 is, we have here 1, and then 2, and then we have here root 3. This you can also repeat it here, and then 1 can also repeat itself there. But let us consider 1. Either you consider this side or this side, still the same. For example, find sine 30 plus cos 60 plus cos 60 all over tan 30. What does that give us? What's a sine 30? Sine is opposite all over hypotenuse. That means 1 over 2 plus what's that called? 60. Car adjacent all over hypotenuse. That's also 1 over 2. And then what's tan? Toi opposite all over adjacent. Opposite all over adjacent. That means what? 1 all over root 3. Half plus half. Half plus half. What does that give us? That gives us 1. So we now have 1, or you say what? You say 2 over 2. That's, see, the denominator are the same. Then you can add the numerator. 1 plus 1 giving us what? 2. The denominator are the same, so you put 2. All over what? 1 all over root 2. Therefore, we now arrive at that 1. All over what? 1 all over, okay, root 3. So what does that give us? That gives us root 3 all over 1 equals to what? Root 3. So that's how you can use the special angles to solve it. Thank you very much. So by next class, we'll look at the special angle 45 degrees. Take this and see what you can do. I have this right angle triangle. There I have x here. I have x. I have 4 here. I have y. I have angle 60. Now the question is, number 1, find the values of x and y. That's number 1. Number 2, evaluate. Don't forget, this is right angle triangle. If I have 60 here, this 90 degrees, automatically this is 30 degrees. Don't forget that, because I'm going to give you a question that demands that you use 30 degrees. So if here is 60, here is 90, what is this angle? You should know that what? It will be 30 degrees. Find sine 30 plus cos 30 all over sine 60 square. All right, so take that and do at home. Thank you very much.